Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to cancel Crunchyroll membership. First of all, open the browser of your device. Let's see how to cancel the membership of the Crunchyroll app. To cancel Crunchyroll membership, you have two methods depending on your payment methods. If you paid by credit card, you can easily cancel through the app by logging into your account. Going to the account page and tapping on Cancel. If you paid through a PayPal account, find the Crunchyroll subscription. Choose to manage Crunchyroll payments and click on Cancel. Scroll down and check if you used a credit card for membership. Here is how to cancel. Log in to the Crunchyroll account. Then, go to the account page. Tap on Cancel. This is all you have to do. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.